Mike Den Hartog here from Florida Drone Supply. We're going to continue our series on the Mavic 3 Enterprise and then eventually the Mavic 3 Enterprise Thermal as well. Now, the RC Pro comes with both the Mavic 3 Enterprise and the Mavic 3 Thermal, as well as the Mavic 3 Cine. Now, this controller is a wonderful controller. I really love it. It has a great feel to it. It's very similar to the Mavic 2 smart controller we had with the Enterprise Advanced. This is really a solid controller, though. With the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced, you had the flip-up antenna, and there were some features of it that just didn't feel right, but this one really feels good in your hand. It has that same 2000 nit screen, so you can see that outdoors. They did take away the full-size USB-C port, and they put down a micro USB port on the bottom. It has a USB-C for charging, and it has the micro card slot here, so you can put your micro SD card in there and view your photos directly on it. So that's kind of nice. It does not have the USB-A plug on it that we had on the previous controllers, but it does have the USB-C here on the bottom. Now, it is native with the Pilot 2 application for the Mavic 3E and the Mavic 3 Thermal. The Cine would utilize the Fly application. And you can have either the Fly application or the Pilot 2 application on either remote. It doesn't really matter. So you can go back and forth if you wanted to and use the same remote for any of the Mavic 3 line. Now, also, we have the Flight Hub 2 installed on here. So we went ahead and we've logged in now. We've activated our aircraft. And don't forget that you have to bind your DJI Care. So as soon as you turn the aircraft on, make sure that you have your DJI Care certificate. That way you can go ahead and bind that care at this time if your dealer has not already done that for you. Here at Florida Drone Supply, we do that for all of our customers before it leaves the shop. That way it doesn't get overlooked. But a lot of dealers will send out a coupon with that, or they'll email that code to you afterwards. Make sure you have that. Make sure you bind that at the time that you activate it. Otherwise, you only have 48 hours to do so. Otherwise, it would be void. All right, if you have any questions, give us a call, 855-8-DRONES. We'll continue to post things up in this series to our YouTube channel and our Facebook group. And again, you can always look us up at floridronesupply.com. God bless.